Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West unboxing, and I believe this is for April. So there's a couple bundles of clothing in here. And then you get a slip that tells you what you got and how much it costs in case you want to keep it. And then you know how much they're going to charge you for it. So I got 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and a pair of earrings, it looks like. So let's go ahead and open this first pack. It's pretty. Got the brown. Is this a top? Yeah. It's very long and flowy, and it has real soft lace at the bottom. So I'll insert full pictures so that you can see it at the end. And another top. This one's from Hippie Chick. I love this color of green, and I love their clothing by this brand. And this one, I've received one like this in the past where it just has like a simple little knot in the front. So although it's basically a plain t-shirt, there's a little bit of character to it. And then I have the earrings. And they are silver hoops, rather large. And that's what those look like. So let's check the next bundle. I should have 1 more top and 2 bottoms in there. And the way this works, if there's anything that doesn't fit or you don't like it, you just put it back in the bag, and they do give you a address label. You just put it back in the mail. So it's really easy. This is kind of like a, well, on camera it looks more green. Yeah, it's like a greenish gray color, but they are elastic band pants. I like the buttons on the front. Very, very soft. What brand is this? Does it say? C Mode. I have gotten some things from them as well. So those are nice and stretchy. Ooh. I have some shorts. Actually, I have several pairs of shorts that are this material, and the prints are kind of crazy, but they are so soft and perfect for like sleeping in or lounging around in. So these are just stretchy pants. It's practically all I wear around the house anyway, so could always use those. And the last one is a navy top. Just has some buttons, some wide flared out sleeves. It's a nice flowy shirt. So that is what came this month. If you guys would like to join, I have a promo code that will get you free shipping, and I'll go ahead and insert those pictures so that you can see the items. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.